Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely amazing lamb noodles dish recipe that's got a little zip to it. We're going to be starting off in a shallow rondeau pot. You can absolutely use a large wok or a large frying pan. We're going to add in sesame oil, and we are on very high heat. Next, some ground lamb, which is going to bring out some great flavors in this dish. What we want to do is cook it through until browned up and, of course, into little pieces like this. Now we're going to add in some julienne yellow onion, some thinly sliced Fresno peppers, or you could use jalapeno peppers, some garlic, ginger, then thinly sliced green onions. What we want to do is saute this for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat, just until the onions are lightly browned like this. Now what we want to do is add in some mirin, or you could use sherry, some soy sauce, and then last but not least, some oyster sauce, which is really going to add some great flavors to this. Sprinkle in just a little bit of cumin as well. Now stir everything together. You'll notice it will become thickened a little bit, which is perfect, because now what I'm going to do is add in some very thick, wide pappardelle noodles. If you can find thicker, even better. Mix all of these ingredients together. No salt or pepper is needed because it has plenty of that in there. Now to plate up, I'm just going to finish with some green onions and more Fresno peppers. You could also add on bean sprouts and cilantro if you'd like. You're going to love this dish.